What's this Jeep missing?
This is the carburetor.
Guys, it's turbo.
Turbo?
It's twin. No, it's not twin.
Yeah,
It's only a single. Jake's other Jeep was twin.
Ooh, how do you think of that, James?
He's a lucky man. I also think there should be liquid in
It's
this.
missing the harmonica.
Yeah, I think there should be a cap there.
It's missing the harmonic carburetor, you know?
Check level.
8.
You almost got it.
There, you can come out for now. You can come out for now. Okay.
Dude, wait, we almost got it, or they almost got it. We're hearing nothing.
I don't think it's gonna go.
Nah.
I don't think it has spark. Okay, let's check for spark. Yeah, pull the spark plug and just. Ow!
You okay, Jake?
It'll be fine.
I know, it's the second time I did that.
Cut the bumper off at this point.
That brake layer is thick, dude.
I know. Okay, is everyone ready? Yeah. Okay, go for it. Pump the gas pedal, Jason!
Oh, fuck. Oh,
What?
I can't breathe.
Did you get brake? Yes. Get out here. It sounded like it at one point.
You okay, James?
Yeah, I just couldn't. I legitimately couldn't breathe. That
Yeah.
was bad. Yeah.
Got a little bit. Okay. What do I need to do? Try not to breathe in too much brake clean. You might start smelling colors. What? Oh, I smell great. Oh, I just breathe smell.
Dude, it's trying to weld itself.
Jake, stop.
Wait.
Okay, you know what? I can deal with it. It's fine. I'll just hold my breath.
Don't die, Jay.
I think this is better for.
Don't worry, Jay. These character building.
Yeah.
Oh, I do. I do.
Hey, Jaxon, you think we got this?
Okay, you can
part of the
I'll be negative.
Okay. Right here.
I think we should do it. Okay. Oh wait, it doesn't have to. Oh, you good? Alright, ready when you guys are.
Alright, ready?
Okay, go for it.
Go for it. Please.
Not going. Hold on.
Hit the starter seas.
That will pick me off.
Ready?
It's not even wiggle like it. Alright, good?
Okay, maybe try. Oh. Did you explode the starter?
Maybe.
Looks like we need it. Wait.
Where's my letter man? Can I do my letter man?
I'm gonna drop it.
Jake, I got it.
Are you? Okay.
Oh, never mind. James got it. Okay. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Thought you said go.
Yeah, go. It's on.
Nothing's happening.
Nothing.
Did you kill the starter? Is the starter hot? Like,
Maybe a little bit. What do I need to do these two?
We got this, Jaxon.
we'll test if it runs off its own fuel.
On 3. Hold on, wait.
Ow!
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait.
I wish this window was down.
1, 2, 3.
Ouch!
You
It
good?
backfired.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So, it backfired, like,
Oh my god. That was so close.
Okay, so
Maybe
I don't
ear
think
plugs.
the plugs are right.
Okay,
so
switch the plugs.
get the thing away.
Feet on.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
It goes straight to $2,000 and stays.
Does it?
Yeah.
I think it might just stick at $2,000. Let's see how long it.
I think it's because there's no exhaust on it.
Yeah.
Where's
Yeah.
the LG sensor? Is it on the header or across?
James, they did it.
I know.
You guys did it.
We did it.
Oh,
No help to you two.
Well, I tried helping.
I
Tried to.
cleaned, like,
Had it cleaned.
Jake clean.
We tried helping.
Ready?
Key
Yeah.
on.
Clutching. Yeah. Don't run me over. Don't run me over.
That's loud. Oh my god! Yeah!
Okay, let me go.
Dude, that sounds like a monster truck. Holy
The
crap!
battle's not won yet. We still need to get.
We just need the switch.
Yeah, the
which we can
switch.
hardware store real quick and then.
Okay.
It's so loud. Dude, it sounds like a
Race car!
monster truck! Monster truck! Monster truck!
I'm gonna call my dad real quick.
Send that video. Send that to
Ah.
Okay, ready? Don't run me over, please. Yeah. Nothing? I'm trying to connect it. Okay. Nothing's happening.
What? Loving noise, dude.
And it sounds fine.
I know.
The idle's perfect.
Yeah! Here.
Is he moving it forward? Did we take off the giant? Your Jeep's alive, Jay.
Dude, it's slow.
It smells like fuel! It smells like fuel.
Okay, it runs.
Why did the idle be like good?
I think it's just. It had full before.
Take this thing out for a test.
It doesn't want to move. It won't go up the hill.
feisty bastard.
Alright, second try. Right, Jaxon? Jaxon? Second try.
Third, you mean?
Second. Like actually driving.
Yeah, it's doing stuff. No, it doesn't want to. Oh, it's the line. We're not smoking yet. I have the clutch like halfway in. What's it with this right back to the top? Wait, we can. That's our top of the Liver. Okay. Jake's, we're gonna go in this little cul-de-sac.
My god, it's like it's this flat spot like crazy.
Is that a flat?
Yes.
I think it's just a flat spot on the tire.
Yeah, it's a flat spot.
Oh,
You're not getting fuel good?
it's not getting through at all. It's leaning out. It gets quiet so
It gets
bad.
very quiet, probably because of the exhaust.
No, like it gets abnormally quiet. It's like, it's literally header down.
Hopefully we can make it over this.
It's so loud.
It doesn't want to move.
That did not sound good.
Oh, that's backfire. Yeah.
Oh.
There is a turn right somewhere. It runs smooth.
No, it does not.
It runs smooth and
It idles smooth.
Maybe because of the horrible flat spot, but that's about it.
It rides there.
Oh my god.
You can just like get the clutch all the way up.
It's like we're in a parade.
Dude, that's the line of man. Oh my god.
Dude, it sounds like nuts and bolts are falling out.
Dude, gunshots.
Bang!
I'm not yet. People like it so bad. It's the last turn before the light.
It's so loud!
It's so
We got
bad.
speed this time.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because it's downhill.
Yeah, it is because it's downhill. This one or next? Last one from the light.
It's that see that yellow house right there?
It's not Charlotte's. Yellow house. Ooh, brakes make noise. Ooh, does it die? It's so like
So loud.
it's so terrible.
Actually, it seems like it's working pretty good now. It's slower, but
Oh, I can't make it pop again. Back it up. Back it up. Maybe. Actually, do you want it back
I'll
up?
back it.
No stalling. Remember when you're backing up the road? The hazard stopped working.
Uh-oh.
they're not turning off.
Yeah.
They're just running over.
The hazard stopped working. Yeah, they're just frozen. Will it key off?
They're off.
We drugged when we something drugged when we first came out. There's a white mark on the road when we turned out.
Probably the dig.
you let me out, James?